Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to add new location on Google My Business. For this, first of all, we open any browser. So open a browser and then we should open a google.com. For this, go to the search bar and type google.com. Once Google is open in front of you, go to the right top corner and here you will see the 9 dots. Click on these 9 dots. After that, go below and here you will see a button of Business Profile Manager. Click on it. Then your profile on Google will be open in front of you if you have created. And now we will see how we can add another location. If you go to the right side, you can see my location has been added on Google. Open the location. This is my business location on Google. Go back. After that, click on these 3 buttons. Go below and click on add a new business profile. It doesn't mean we are creating a new business profile, but we have to go with this. Instead of this, we can't add another location. Now here, write the name of your business. I will write Heritage. After that, go below and write the business category. Choose the business category that you use to create your first business. Like that, I am choosing clothing. And in clothing, I will choose clothing shop. After that, once you done this section, click on next. And now in this section, Google is asking, do you want to add a location customer can visit like a shop or office? The location will show up on Google Maps and search when customers are looking for your business, in which we will select yes. After that, click on next. And now here, choose the address. Now here you will choose the address according to your new franchise. Once you added the location, after that click on next. Now you can see your second location has been added. Go below and click on next. And the next question of Google is, do you provide deliveries or home and office visits? It's depend on your business, and according to my business, I will select yes. And another code is, for example, if you visit or deliver to your customer, you can let them know where you are willing to go. Yes, we will click on yes. After that, click on next, in which we will select the area you serve. Add areas where your business provide deliveries or home and office visits. This will appear on your business profile. This option is optional. We will skip this option and then click on next. After that, add your phone number. And then add the website. If your business have a website, you can add the website over here. After that, click on next. And in the last, you will select a way to get verified. I will go with more options. And now here we will click on verify later. Facebook is saying that you can continue making edits to your business on Google, but they will not be visible to your customer until you complete verification. After that, I will go with verify. You can verify it at that moment. After that, choosing the opening hours of your new franchise. You can also choose the timing. My franchise is closed on Saturday and Sunday, and you can add the time according to your franchise. After that, click on next. Or you can skip this option. After that, click on next. Now here, you should add a description for your new franchise. It depends on you. I will skip this option and then add the pictures if you want to. I will skip this option. Facebook is asking for the advertising. It's depend on you. If you wanted to advertise your business on Google, you can go with this option and get started. I will absolutely skip this option. Now your new franchise and their location has been added on Google. If your customer will search your profile on business, two locations will be appear to your customer. Your customer will contact to you according to their nearest franchise. That was the way how to add new location on Google My Business. If you want to learn more about this, please comment in the comment section, and if you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.